Hey everyone, it's Nelson Miller here with PA Creative, and I'm back with another weekly tutorial. Today I'm showing you how to customize the success message in the contact form. So when someone submits a form, there's that message that you can have appear to them, and now you can personalize it with their name or email address or even fields that they completed in the form. So let me show you how. All right, so this should be quite a simple, quick tutorial. So it does involve it requires using the Divi Contact Form Helper plugin. We're going to be using dynamic merge tags in a success message to show, what I said. So like I said, it does require the Contact Form Helper. If you're a member of our All Access, the Divi Adventure Club, then go ahead and you can check out that plugin, or if you purchase it separately, that's great too. Or if you haven't yet, go check it out. So install the plugin, get it installed. That's step one. I'm not going to show you how to do all that. It's very simple. Just it adds settings to the existing contact form. Okay. Go into the after submission behavior. Open that up, and right here, right away, you may see that something different than what you're used to. There's a rich text editor. Normally, it's just like, normally I think it's one line, like one input field. It's not even like a paragraph area, it's like one line. So quite an upgrade just in that itself. In fact, here is make sure it's even enabled, because if it's not, Anyway, make sure also, while we're in here, I'll show you, make sure you don't have like if you have this enable redirect URL enabled also, make sure that you make this redirect delay long enough that, like, there it's on what, 3 seconds. So make sure that it's long enough that someone can read the message if you're using that. So just check that, double check all that. Now the main part here, in fact, I kind of have it as step 3. The main part here is literally just writing your message. So you can see what I have written here. I say thank you, comma, and then %%. That's how you wrap merge tags in Divi. %% name, and then exclamation points, like thank you name, right? Then we have this message, and I wrote this. You can write something similar if you want. So I said, we have received your message about, look, I can even tell them, like, hey, we're smart enough to know what you said, about whatever field 4 is, and we will reply to your email, %%, right? Email address as soon as possible. So let me just go back into the fields here. Take a look. It's all about the merge tags writing the field ID. So in name, the field ID is name. Remember, I used %% name, %%. All right, and then in email, it's a field ID is email. Pretty easy. Now for this one, I said I wanted to say we got your message about what? Well, I put field _4. Field options are set to radio buttons, and then I have like web design, SEO, and branding. So you can see them right here. So the way that you can use this to really personalize it is to put something like that. So I got your message about SEO. I got your message about web design, So it's kind of cool to do that. And you can do whatever you want. So back in this after submission behavior, don't even forget, like, there's so many things you can do. You can design the message right here. Like the wrapper, I could make one color, and then the heading text, I could make a certain color. Like if I make that purple, and I want that to be bold, and you get the idea. Here's paragraph text. Well, anyway, let's send a test through. I'll just put in my name, email, and choose web design and whatever there, and submit. And look at that. There's my purple bold heading, and we have, I have the redirect on. Perfect example. Don't do what I did. I was literally showing you not to do that, and yeah. If you have it on, make it longer than that is a few seconds that I had. All right, now we can actually look at it. We have received your message about web design, and you can put whatever you have said there, and we'll reply to your Nelson@pacreative.com email address as soon as possible. And you notice I had it like bold. The merge tag was literally bold. So you can design this. You can put a box around here. You can do whatever you want. Wow, pretty simple, but also like just so nice, like, isn't it? Like, you can add a button here, and you can have the button go to any link. You can have it, yeah, all these things. But mostly I wanted to show you about this personalization. That's a really nice effect. It really adds that professional touch. All right, hope you've enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and all that good stuff. Subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.